I wrote to you so I can feel like I'm with you. Feeling like I love again when you left and kissed me goodbye. My love, you gave me a genuine love as I pour you my burning love, even though I was scared to love.
I love your accent, say it again.
Baby, huwag mag-alala, ayoko rin namang mawala ka sa aking mga mata. Ayoko rin namang magmadali para sa'yo. Ikaw ang bumuo ng araw ko kapag sana mapansin mo ang nararamdaman.
My love,
I love your accent, say it again.
Kahit pa bumabagyo'y baliwala, ikaw ay aalayan ko. Hindi magbabago. Madami mang hadlang ay ikaw pa rin ang ipaglalaban. Kahit harapin ay kamatayan, pangakong hindi ka iiwanan.
as I pour you my burning love, even though I was scared to love.
I love your accent, say it again.
My love.